In this video, you are going to learn how to measure angles using a protractor. So we have learned a few things about the protractor. We've learned the numbers on the bottom are called the inner scale, and the numbers on the top are called the outer scale. We have also learned that this is where you put your vertex, and then you have to have your ray running along this bottom line. Okay, so I'm going to demonstrate measuring this angle using a protractor. Now, when you do this, it's kind of difficult on here because the picture covers it up, but you would take your vertex, gets lined up with that hole. So I would take my protractor and line it up right on the vertex. Okay? So right away we should be able to tell that this is a obtuse angle, so it's greater than 90 degrees. So when I line it up, even though you can't see where it's coming out, I know I'm going to use the numbers that are greater than 90, so I will use the inner scale to measure this angle. Sometimes you will come across angles that are not long enough, so you have to extend the line. So I extended the line by making my picture bigger. So as I line it up and I put the hole on the vertex, I see that the angle comes out here, and it's between 150 and 140, so it looks like it's about 148 degrees. Okay, if you said 150 or 145, that would be acceptable as well. A common mistake is when people have the protractor upside down or not in the correct spot. You have to have the circle on the vertex and then the bottom of the protractor is flat on one of the rays. Because remember, you are measuring the inside of the angle. Okay, let's try measuring another angle. So remember, I have to take my protractor and I have to line it up so the hole is on the vertex and that the protractor, the line, is flat on one of the rays. Do it this way as well. Remember, the protractor has to be measuring the inside part of the angle. So looking at that angle, I should have been able to tell that it is smaller than a right angle, so I will be using the inner numbers here because they are less than 90. This comes out right at the 70 degree mark, so this is a 70 degree angle. Alright, so now go to the next page of the class kit, and you are going to use your protractor and measure some angles that you see on the next page.